Hey guys, what's up? What going on? It's your girl Nika of Traveling with Nika, and I have a tutorial for y'all today. So for all of my beginner travel hackers, today's video is basically going to show you how to do a redemption in the Chase Travel Portal using your ultimate rewards. So this isn't necessarily a video to say like if using the Chase portal is better than transferring out to a travel partner such as airlines or hotels. This is literally just to show you how to do it if you want to redeem something in the Chase portal using your ultimate reward points. I do want to note that I typically don't use the Chase portal for my redemptions if there is a way for me to get a cheaper deal by transferring my points out. And I would say most of the time it is cheaper to just transfer your points out. However, if I am booking like a boutique type of hotel, or let's just say it's an airline that's not a part of any alliances, I do leverage using my ultimate reward points to be able to travel hack, that flight, for example, or that hotel. So if I am using the Chase portal to do one of the redemptions that I just mentioned, another thing that I love about the Chase portal is you not having to use like all of your points to do the redemption. So you can basically choose to do like all points or partial points, partial cash when you are going to do your redemption. And before we get into the tutorial, you need to know that all Chase cards are not created equal. So what I mean by that is not every Chase card that is out there earns ultimate rewards. So you have to know which cards earn ultimate rewards to be able to even get to this travel portal. If you have like a Chase Sapphire Reserve, which is a very premium card, you definitely have access to the the ultimate rewards dashboard. If you have a Chase Sapphire Preferred, you definitely have the ultimate rewards dashboard. And those two cards, for example, definitely gives you, a higher redemption value when you use the Chase Travel Portal. And now we are going to get right into the step-by-step tutorial. Hi, I'm Nika of Traveling with Nika, and in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to complete a redemption in the Chase Travel Portal. To begin the redemption in the Chase Travel Portal, you can easily log into the Chase app and scroll down to the rewards section where you will see your point balance for your ultimate rewards. You will go ahead and click that, and then you will see a welcome screen eventually populate with all of the current cards that you have that earn ultimate rewards. So I am going to select my Chase Sapphire Preferred, which is the third option in this list. Once I click the card that I am going to use, you will then see the ultimate rewards dashboard. So now we are going to complete the redemption in the Chase Travel Portal. You would select the three lines in the left-hand corner at the top to access the Chase Travel Portal. You will see that there's a bunch of different options, but the one that you would select is travel. And today we are going to be doing a flight redemption. So what you would do is select flight. What populates is the search flights option, where you can see that you can toggle between a round trip, one way, or a multi-city flight. So we are going to just do a very simple one-way redemption just for the demonstration purposes of this tutorial. So I'm going to select one way, and this is going to be a flight from LaGuardia to Miami International on November 22nd for one person in economy. So what I'm going to do is actually just select search, because all of the information such as my departure city and my destination, my dates, and how many people I'm booking for is correct. So once you click search, you'll see that it populates a bunch of different flight options that you can see directly from the Chase portal for various different airlines and flight times. However, you can easily filter if you are only interested in seeing a specific airline's flight by clicking the filter by option and selecting from the different options available on the screen to the right. So let's say, for example, I only wanted to see the United Airlines flights available. I can select apply filter. Now I'm only going to see the available flight, the United Airlines. So here you can see that this flight that leaves at 6 a.m. and arrives in Miami at 11:18 a.m. is currently $204 for an economy seat with United Airlines. So if you were interested in booking this flight, you would see that it currently costs $204 or 16,288 ultimate reward points. So we are going to proceed with selecting this flight and purchasing it in the Chase travel portal. Here you can see it's giving me options to possibly upgrade or just stick with the fare that I originally chose, which I'm going to just say continue with this fare. Here's where you would enter in the passenger information, and then you would be able to select save changes and continue. The last step is basically to review the passenger information that you entered, the trip details, and the payment summary. So it provides you with a breakdown of how much your trip costs in cash and how much you are actually using in points. So you will see again that your balance is 0. You would of course accept any disclosures and click complete checkout. And that is how you complete a Chase travel portal redemption. So that's all I have for today's tutorial, and I do hope that the step-by-step video was very helpful for you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then what are you doing? Okay, make sure you subscribe to Traveling with Nika so you don't miss another video, because the next video is going to be all about how to actually transfer your points out to a travel partner. And in that video, it's going to be transferring your points from Chase to an airline that partners with Chase. So see you guys on the next video. Bye.